Good morning, friends. Here we have completed, in the previous class we have completed till 4. Okay, so now in this class we're going to be start with 5th question. Okay, so here what is the question? First of all, we'll read and try to understand what they are want to say. Okay, so okay, if the speed of a motorcycle in 40 km per hour, that means the speed of a motorcycle is, for 1 hour the speed is 40, means in 1 hour the motorcycle is covered 40 km. Got it? In 1 hour the motorcycle is covered 40 km. How far it will travel in hour and quarter? Now what is mean by quarter? Quarter means fourth part of whole. In the previous chapter also we have learned quarter means what? 1/4. Clear? Quarter means 1/4 of any. When we are talking about quarter, means it is 1/4. What they are saying? 1 hour and means you can say plus quarter means 1/4. Okay, so this will become 1/4 of 40. Understood? That will become 1/4 of 40. Clear? Now how we can solve this question, we'll see. Here the speed of a motorcycle is 40, as we know, means in 1 hour it complete 40 km. We have to find how much it cover in 1 hour and 15 minutes. Now what they are saying, it is the hours is divided into 4 part. Okay, this will become quarter. This will become 1 quarter, second, third and fourth quarter. Okay, and this will become half. Understood? So now if 1 hour it will cover 40, so in half hour how much it will cover? It will cover 20. Here 20. Understood? If it is cover from here to here, if we will cover 20 kilometer, means for half, then half part, this part will be covered by 10 only. Yes or no? If the whole is covered into 40, so half will, this whole will cover it 40, so half will going to cover by 20 only na? Yes, so 20 this half, 20 this half will cover by 10, so this 10, this 10, this 10, means that then only it will become 40. Yes, so in 15 minutes it will cover 10 kilometer, and in 1 hour it will cover 40. Okay, so now here also we have learned 1 hour 40, so half means 30 minutes, this will become 20. In 15 minutes it will become 10. So 1 hour and 15 minutes, this will become 40, and 10 equal to this will become 50. Okay, so now in next question, if a man walk at a speed of 4 km, how long will it take him to walk 3 km? So that means what they are saying, in 1 hour the man is completing 4 km. Suppose this is your clock. Okay, but in if the man is starting from here to here, how much kilometer it will take? 4 km. Clear? Suppose if the man is starting from here, so what will be the half? This will become 2 km, and this side will become 2 km. Yes or no? If the total is 40, so half will be 2 km, and this side also will be 2 km. Got it? Now what they are saying, if it is this 2, if I will circle, if I will draw, if I will cut into 4 part, okay, this whole part is of 2 km. Okay, and so this part will be how much? This part will be of 1. Yes or no? So in 15 minutes it will cover 1 kilometer. In 30 minutes it will cover 2 kilometer. 1 plus 1, 2 kilometer. And in 45 minutes it will cover 3 kilometer. Understood? In 15 minutes it will cover 1 kilometer. In 30 it will cover 2, and again with 1 for 45 minutes. So in 45 minutes it will cover whole part. Okay. Now the second, I have solved all the answers. Okay, don't worry, you will get all the answer. First try to understand what will be the answer. Okay, so the next one is, if the rickshaw travel at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour means in 1 hour it will cover 30 kilometer. In 1 hour it will cover 30 kilometer. Now what they are saying, how far it will travel in 3/4 of an hour. 3/4 means what? 3/4. In previous class we have learned of an hour. Of means multiplication. Hour means in 1 hour how much it is? This is 30. So what we have to do? First of all we have to multiply the 3 into 30 and then divide it by 4. Then you will get your answer. Understood? So this will become 3/4. Understood? Next question. Understood? So how much it will become? This will 3 into this will 30 will become 90 and divided by 4. So answer you will get, if you will divide it carefully, you will get 22.5. So how much in 3/4, how much it will cover? 22 kilometer and 0.5. Okay. Now during cleanliness week, children clean the public park. क्लीननेस इस मिशन के द्वारा वो क्या करते हैं? पब्लिक पार्क क्लीन करते हैं. दे कलेक्ट 3/4 किलोग्राम ऑफ प्लास्टिक गार्बेज. 3/4 ऑफ किलोग्राम ऑफ प्लास्टिक गार्बेज. वो कितना प्लास्टिक गार्बेज कवर करते हैं? 3/4. 3/4 आई टोल्ड यू. 3/4 मीन्स 3/4 ऑफ किलोग्राम. This will become 1000 gram. In 1 kilogram how much gram it is there? 1000. So you have to calculate this and you have to find how much this plastic is going to be covered. Now 5.5 kilogram. That means 5/2 into. Okay, again you have to find this and after that you have to add all the things. Understood? And they are asking how much garbage did they collect in all. So you have to calculate and you have to calculate this and again you have to add them. Got it? So now in the next question we are going to be see. If one shirt need 2 meter 50 centimeter of clothes, how much cloth do we need for 5 t-shirt? So for 5 t-shirt how much cloth we need? So we will going to be find here. Just see here. For one shirt how much shirt is needed? 2. एक शर्ट के लिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? For one shirt they need 2 meter and 50 centimeter of clothes. Yes. और फिर हमें क्या निकालना है? 5 शर्ट के बारे में. Okay. So here we can see. For one shirt it will 2 meter and 50 centimeter of cloth they need. But in again here it is 2 unit we can see. So first of all what we'll do? First of all we'll change this into one only unit. So in 1 meter, how much centimeter is 100 centimeter. So this will become 2 meter will going to be changed in centimeter. So this will become 200 centimeter plus 550 centimeter. This will become 250. For one shirt, how much it is cloth is needed? 250. Okay. So now for 5 shirt, what we have to do? We have to multiply it by 5. Clear? We will going to multiply it by 5. When you will multiply, this answer you will get. So for 5 shirt, how much cloth they need? They need 1250 centimeter. Clear? Now the question number 10. If a car travel 60 kilometer in 1 hour, so in 1 hour how much they are traveling? They are traveling 60 kilometer. How much far it will travel? For 2 kilometer, for 15, for half, and for 3/4. Just try to understand this by this. In 1 hour, from 1 hour, it will take 60. Clear? Now 50 minutes means what? Quarter. Clear? 50 means quarter. Quarter I told you 1/4. Half means what? 1/2. Okay. 3 and half means you have to find the 3 hours and half means 30 minutes you will find. Now for 2 hours, if 1 hours it will take 60. For 2 hours how much? 60 plus 60, this will become 120 kilometer. Understood? Now for 15 minutes, how we can find? 15 is 1/4 of, because the 1 part, 2 part, 3 and 4. So this will be, how much part it will become? 1/4. So this will become 1/4 of 60. So if we will divide it, you will get 15 kilometer. Understood? Half an hours, that means half of 60, you will get 30. Understood? Now this is 3.5 hours. So for 3, if 1 hour is 60, for 3 hours how much it is? It will become 180 plus half. Half means here 30. You will get, after adding you will get your answer. Okay. So now we'll take this also problem. If one gold bangles is made from 12 grams to 50 milligrams of gold, how much gold will be needed for making 8 such bangle? What we have to do? They are saying for one bangles how this much gold is needed. Okay, and they want to make such 8 bangles. Okay, how much they need gold? First of all, before this, how many? We have 2 different units. So first of all, what we are doing, we will going to be convert into one only unit. They have given the unit also. In 1 gram we have 1000 milligram. Clear? So first of all, we will convert this into one only unit, then we will going to multiply by 8. Okay, so just please see here. For one gold bangle made is of 12 gram to 50 milligram, and we have to find for 8 such. They have given 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So for one bangles, how we have to convert this gram into 1000 milligram. So 12 into 1000 we have to multiply and add plus 250 milligram. So after multiplication you will get, and add with this 250, you will get 12,250 milligram. So for one bangle they need this much gold. Now we have to find for 8 such bangle. What we have to do? From this we have to multiply by 8. Whatever answer you will get, this will be a gold needed for 8 gram. Now what we have given? 98,000. Okay, but 98,000, what does it mean? It will mean 98 multiplied by 1000. That's only. So 1000 milligram, how much it is? 1 gram. So this will become 98 grams. Understood?